You've probably heard people talking about ductless heat pumps lately, and if you're wondering what the big deal is, let's clear it up. A ductless heat pump, also called a mini split, is a heating and cooling system without the ducts. Instead of pushing air through vents, it delivers warm or cool air directly into each room through a small wall unit. This means no ductwork, less energy loss, and more control over your comfort. Why homeowners love them? First off, efficiency. Traditional systems can lose up to 30% of energy through ducts, but ductless systems skip that step entirely. More efficiency equals more savings. Next, comfort control. You can set different temperatures in different rooms, and when it comes to installation, it's faster and cleaner than you might think. No tearing open walls or building out ducts. Just a few small holes and you're good to go. Cost and longevity. Yes, the upfront cost can be higher than a traditional system, but you'll make that up over time with lower energy bills, rebates, and fewer repairs. Plus, with regular maintenance, these systems can last up to 20 years. Is it right for your home? For many Ontario homeowners, especially those in older houses without ductwork, ductless heat pumps are a game changer. They heat and cool efficiently year-round, making them a smart investment for our climate. Bottom line, ductless heat pumps aren't just a trend. They're the future of home comfort. They're energy efficient, customizable, and built for real-life convenience. At Affordable Comfort, we make home comfort easy. Whether you're ready to go ductless or just want to explore your options, our team is here to help you find the perfect system for your home. Contact us today to get started.